Boeing has made a significant announcement. Production of the iconic 777-300ER is ending. This marks the end of an era. The aviation world has taken notice. Airlines now seek newer, more efficient jets. The trusty 777-300ER, while remarkable, is aging. Technology has moved on considerably. Fuel prices and environmental concerns are key. Carriers want to reduce their operating costs. They also want to shrink their carbon footprint. Boeing's own 787 Dreamliner is a prime example. Airbus offers its popular A350. The final orders have now been fulfilled. Boeing's focus must shift to the future. The Boeing 707-300ER was introduced in the early 2000s. It quickly became a commercial success. Airlines prized its exceptional reliability. Its impressive long-range capability was key. It could connect virtually any two major cities. This aircraft truly opened up global routes. It became a staple of international travel. A familiar sight at airports worldwide. Several key features defined the 777-300ER. Its powerful General Electric GE90 engines were legendary. The aircraft boasted an impressive passenger capacity. Emirates, for instance, became its largest operator. The legacy of the 777-300ER is undoubtedly secure. It set new standards for twin-jet efficiency and range. Ending production of any major aircraft has economic effects. The 777-300ER is certainly no exception. Job losses are an immediate and serious concern. This is especially true in Boeing's manufacturing hubs. Everett, Washington, is the historic home of the 777. Thousands of skilled workers contributed to this plane. Their futures now face some uncertainty. The human cost is always a difficult aspect. Boeing must manage this transition carefully. The impact extends throughout the vast supply chain. Many smaller companies are involved in aircraft manufacturing. They supplied countless parts for the 777-300ER. This decision is part of Boeing's broader financial strategy. The company has been undergoing cost-cutting measures. The next generation takes flight. Boeing's focus on the 707X. This chapter delves into Boeing's ambitious plans for the future of aviation. Boeing is certainly not abandoning the large jet market. In fact, they are doubling down on their commitment to innovation and excellence in this sector. The 707X is poised to be the direct successor to the highly successful 707 series, bringing with it a new era of aviation technology and performance. This is a new generation of the famed 707 family, designed to meet the evolving needs of airlines and passengers alike. It promises a host of significant improvements, from advanced aerodynamics to state-of-the-art avionics. Boeing is betting heavily on its success, with top executives and engineers working tirelessly to ensure its excellence. The development represents a massive investment, both in terms of financial resources and human capital. It aims to lead the next wave of long-haul travel, offering unprecedented efficiency and range. Several key features distinguish the new 777X, making it a standout in the crowded field of commercial aviation. It will be powered by new General Electric GE9X engines, which are among the most advanced and efficient engines ever built. A standout feature is its innovative folding wingtips, which allow for greater wingspan in flight for improved efficiency. This allows for greater wingspan in flight for efficiency, while still enabling the aircraft to fit into existing airport gates. Yet, it can still fit existing airport gates, making it versatile and adaptable to current airport infrastructure. Passengers can expect greater comfort and space, with redesigned cabins that prioritize passenger experience. Boeing is promising a superior travel experience, with enhanced amenities and cutting-edge technology designed to make every journey more enjoyable. Political skies and regulatory realities. Challenges for Boeing. Boeing, a giant in the aerospace industry, faces numerous challenges that are both complex and multifaceted. Boeing operates within a complex global political landscape. The company's operations are influenced by international relations and political climates across the globe. International trade tensions can directly affect aircraft sales. Tariffs, trade wars, and economic sanctions can all impact Boeing's bottom line. Decisions made in Washington or Beijing can have ripples. Policies and political decisions in these major capitals can influence global markets and Boeing's strategic decisions. Global relations certainly matter a great deal. Diplomatic ties and international agreements can either open up new markets or close existing ones. Geopolitics plays an undeniable role in large contracts. The signing of international contracts often hinges on the political climate and relations between countries. Aviation is often intertwined with national interests. Military contracts and national security concerns add another layer of complexity. This adds another layer of complexity for Boeing. The company must navigate these political waters while maintaining its technological edge. Navigating these waters requires skill and diplomacy. Boeing's leadership must be adept at managing international relations and negotiations. It's more than just building good airplanes. The company must also ensure that its products meet the highest standards of safety and reliability. The company faces significantly increased regulatory oversight. Regulatory bodies have become more stringent in their requirements. This is a direct consequence of the 737 MAX incidents. The tragic accidents have led to a re-evaluation of safety protocols and regulations. The Federal Aviation Administration, or FAA, is much stricter. The FAA has implemented more rigorous checks and balances to ensure safety. Global aviation regulators are also more assertive. Agencies around the world are no longer content to follow the FAA's lead blindly. They no longer simply follow the FAA's lead. Instead, they are setting their own standards and regulations, making compliance even more challenging for Boeing. Shifting tides. Industry trends towards sustainability and efficiency. The commercial aviation industry is undergoing rapid change. Sustainability has become a major driving force. Airlines are increasingly demanding greener aircraft. There is also significant pressure from the public, and of course, from investors and governments. The environmental impact of flying is under scrutiny. This is pushing innovation across the sector. Airlines want to be seen as responsible. It's a fundamental shift in priorities. Fuel efficiency is absolutely paramount for airlines. It directly reduces their substantial operational costs. Efficient aircraft also lower carbon emissions. This aligns with global environmental goals. Navigating the future. Government support and broader aviation outlook. Governments worldwide often provide substantial support to their aerospace industries, recognizing the sector's critical importance. Aerospace is widely considered a strategic sector, essential for national security and economic stability. It creates high-value jobs for many people, offering employment opportunities in various specialized fields. It drives technological innovation across the economy, leading to advancements in other industries as well. There is also an element of national pride involved, as countries strive to be leaders in aerospace technology. Having a strong aerospace presence is prestigious, symbolizing a nation's technological prowess and industrial capability. This often translates into various forms of backing, including financial aid and policy support. It's seen as an investment in the future, ensuring long-term economic growth and technological leadership. A key component of industrial policy, aerospace support helps maintain a competitive edge globally. This government support can take many different forms, from direct funding to regulatory incentives. Funding for crucial research and development is common, enabling breakthroughs in aviation technology. Tax incentives can encourage investment in new facilities, fostering growth and innovation. Subsidies for developing green technologies are increasing, reflecting a commitment to sustainable aviation. This helps companies undertake ambitious projects, pushing the boundaries of what is possible in aerospace.